Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to become that girl? The one who's super productive, calm, and totally in control of her day. If you're sitting there wondering, how do I get my life together? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll be sharing with you my productivity tips that'll help you slay your day and stay productive while keeping things fun and stress-free. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get productive. Tip 1. Create a morning routine. Firstly, your morning routine is everything. Start your day with a routine that makes you feel good, like a 10-minute stretch, a cute skincare session, or just savoring a hot cup of coffee or tea. Personally, I like to write in my journal and set 3 intentions for the day. It helps me focus and feels so therapeutic too. Make your routine aesthetic. Light a candle, use a cute journal, or put on a fun playlist. Productivity is easier when you actually enjoy the vibe you're creating. Tip 2. Plan your day like a boss. Okay, let's talk about planning. I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Grab your cute planner, or use a free app like Notion to write down the top 3 things you need to get done today. And please don't overload your list, if not you might get overwhelmed and end up binge watching Netflix instead. We're aiming for quality, not quantity. So please keep it realistic, girls. Tip 3. Dress the part, even at home. I know staying in PJs all day is tempting, but trust me, changing into something cute, even if it's just matching sweats or loungewear, can make a huge difference. And throw on a little makeup if you're feeling like it. A concealer, mascara, and lip gloss, and you'll be ready to conquer the day. Tip 4. Create a workspace. Pick a spot in your home that screams boss babe. Decorate it with things you love, like fairy lights, cute stationery, or a vision board. When you sit there, your brain will know it's time to get to work. Tip 5. Break tasks into little pieces. Big tasks can feel so intimidating. That's why I break mine into baby steps. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. It's like tricking your brain into staying focused. You can use your breaks to do something fun, like watering your plants or scrolling through Pinterest for inspiration. Tip 6. Stay hydrated and snack smart. Ladies, remember, hydration is key. So keep a cute water bottle by your side and sip all day. And don't forget snacks, healthy ones like fruits, nuts, or dark chocolate. Make sure to fuel your body so you can stay active all day. Tip 7. Limit distractions. Let's be real, our phones are productivity killers. So try putting yours on Do Not Disturb or leave it in another room while you work. If you can't resist it, set timers for social media breaks. Balance is everything. Tip 8. Use the 2-minute rule. Let me introduce you to a little trick called the 2-minute rule. If something on your to-do list takes less than 2 minutes, just do it now. Reply to that text, put your dishes in the sink, or wipe your workspace clean. These small things add up and keep you from feeling overwhelmed later. Try to make it fun, play your favorite song, and challenge yourself to finish these tiny tasks before the chorus kicks in. Tip 9. Add movement to your day. Productivity isn't just about sitting at your desk for hours working, it's about keeping your body and mind in sync. Take mini breaks to move. Whether it's yoga, a quick stretch, or a 10-minute walk in the fresh air, make sure to move your body. You can use movement as a reset button. Whenever you feel stuck or unmotivated, step away from your desk and move around. Tip 10. Romanticize your day. Girls, let's talk about the magic of romanticizing your day. Treat every moment like it's straight out of Pinterest. Light a scented candle, brew a cup of coffee in your cutest mug, and play soft music while you work. You can even make the simplest tasks, like organizing your space or writing in your planner, feel special. There's no need to rush through your day just to get things done. Romanticize the little moments, like put fresh flowers on your desk or wear fluffy slippers while you work. It'll completely change your vibe. Tip 11. Make time for self-care. Don't forget to take care of you. Productivity isn't about hustling 24/7. Schedule time to unwind. Read a book, take a bath, or do something that makes you happy. A recharged you is a productive you. Tip 12. Celebrate your wins. This one's so important. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Did you get through your to-do list? Finish that one task you've been avoiding? That's a reason to celebrate, girl. Treat yourself to a snack. Post an aesthetic update on your Instagram story, or even just take a moment to say, I crushed it today. And there you have it, my 12 easy and aesthetic tips to help you stay productive at home. Remember, girls, productivity isn't about perfection. It's about finding a flow that works for you and makes you feel amazing. Let me know in the comments which tip is your favorite, and if you have any productivity hacks of your own, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also make sure to join our community of amazing girls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.